Today, we will use another way to get Delta Executor version to 0.678 iOS. Press Safari. Then search this up or go to the comments for the link.
All day and all night.
Press Direct Install Official.
It felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb.
Press Install.
Get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough.
We'd hook up in my car, driving so far. Play you guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, open when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night.
After your Delta is fully downloaded, press Delta. You need to trust it first, so Ima teach you how. Press Settings. Scroll down until you see VPN and Device Management.
It's too late now, I remember everything.
Then press Enterprise app.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Then press Trust.
And how
Press Delta.
could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts.
Delta finally loaded it.
Days we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless. Time was
Tutorial how to get
precious.
the key is in the comments.
Whiskey and wine, drinking all night.
Join my Discord so my channel can grow.